Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo Y36 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in a white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Vivo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. When you're ready, go back to Vivo and using all of those categories available at the top, choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. Now you need to click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, to connect, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!